call you pretty, but it never goes as planned. You think it's funny, I'm just trying to be a man. I wanna show you in the best way that I can that I'm so in love with you. Try to be serious, but you can never tell. It isn't easy to confess how hard I felt.
You get that? These two?
This one is mango, strawberry, melon.
Mango?
I give it a 5 out of 10.
I get 1 out of 10.
I only came for one thing only. Now, sorry for the car, it's so loud. Now I'm gonna go get my nails done.
Grandpa's.
His are gray and mine are like the white and black ones. Where we at?
At the mall.
You.
Sauce with 19 cents.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
The white one.
I bought her the samba buns, the white ones, because she wanted them. I was supposed to get them for her birthday, but I never did, so I just bought them for her right now. So we're gonna be twinsies.
Can you bite it?
Cute. What is this?
Girl, look what I found.
What? I'm gonna get it.
Look what I found.
There's a lot of them too.
Take the cake off.
Help me open it, girl. As you saw, I opened up my package. I bought this off Coach outlet. I've been needing like a little small one, like just like so I can carry like on my keys right here. Like, yeah, I'm gonna put it right here on my keys because I do have another wallet like this, but it's like more chunkier. Like I can just have it on my key and just like get my credit card from right here. Instead, I have to go in my purse, get it out, get my card out. So right now I'm like creating a vision board for 2024. What I all have right here are like goals that I want to accomplish in 2024. Like this one says it's your year, skincare. I have YouTube. My goal for YouTube is to hit 1K this year, or whenever I hit 1K, but that's my goal. I want to go to Tokyo this year, if it will happen. So like traveling, hopefully getting a new car. Consistency, like be on top of everything, especially my homework. So yeah, I'm just gonna print it out, put it on my wall. I also have like a journal that I have like my manifesting for like 2024. Okay, so today it is Saturday and I'm gonna get ready and do my makeup. And then after, I wanna go to Trader Joe's, so maybe I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. Okay, so I am done with my makeup and everything. The one thing I hate about it is that one eyelash is like separated more than this one. It's like together. I don't know if you can see that. Like, yeah, this is my makeup look. I'm just gonna get ready and put my clothes on, and then we should be headed to Trader Joe's. Yeah. Okay, so I put my outfit on. It's like this striped black and white shirt that I got from H&M. Wearing all my rings today. Can I try the strawberry peach last? Regular. Thank you. Hey, 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 hey. Secured the cake.